As a replacement model, the all-new FAW Toyota RAV4 has undergone a comprehensive upgrade in terms of appearance and equipment and is still built on the TNGA-K architecture. The all-new RAV4 adopts Toyota's latest design language, with notable changes particularly to the front end. The upper section features a black, semi-closed grille that connects to the new C-shaped headlights on either side. A black horizontal grille sits in the center of the front end, the license plate has been moved higher, and the side air intakes are integrated into the grille. Combined with the silver front bumper, the overall front end appears more refined and aerodynamic, evoking a sense of power and sportiness. The model presented for approval features the rugged styling package, which features a wide grille that accentuates the exterior's features. The new car's sides feature a sharp, layered waistline. Black wheels, fenders, window frames, and roof not only create a floating roof effect but also enhance the sporty feel. The rear also features a new taillight design with a black trim panel, creating a highly layered and continuous design effect. The Toyota logo is positioned centrally, and a large silver skid plate below reflects the front design. Dimensions reveal that the new RAV4 measures 4620/1855/1680 mm in length, width, and height, with a wheelbase of 2,690 mm, almost identical to the current model. According to the application information, the new car's configuration varies depending on the model. These include a two-tone body, different wheel styles, 18-inch or 20-inch, front and rear bumper radar, a panoramic sunroof, front and rear bumper lower trim strips, and panoramic imaging. In terms of powertrain options, it will offer a variety of options. The gasoline version is equipped with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine, codenamed M20D, with a net power output of 126 kilowatts. The hybrid version offers a 2.0-liter hybrid and 2.5-liter hybrid system, while the newly added 2.0-liter hybrid two-wheel drive version is equipped with a maximum power output of 112 kilowatts. The latest generation of the Toyota RAV4, a benchmark model in the joint venture brand's compact SUV market, further enhanced its product competitiveness with exterior design updates and an expanded powertrain range.